Wants me to video his little downhill turn where he's pointing it down and then just turns it. Which he did. And then just turned around and started going back up the hill. Freaking cold though, I'll tell you that. Awesome. Well, he just flipped over. He's flopping around in the snow. Are you all right? Kim, are you all right?